Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a buffalo chicken grilled cheese. As you can see here, I've got 2 cups of chicken that's been cooked and kind of shredded up, messed up, diced up. And then we want to add 8 ounces of cream cheese. And then we want to add a half a cup of buffalo sauce. And this is a real easy recipe. This is a recipe that's perfect for you just to get, acquainted with cooking. This is virtually, you can't screw this up. Then you want to add a half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Then you want to turn your stand mixer on and mix this till everything is mixed together. Takes a couple of minutes. You can do this with a spoon, obviously, but if you have a stand mixer, I highly recommend using it. Okay, let's assemble the sandwich. I got a piece of sourdough bread. Then I picked a piece of Colby Jack cheese. Any cheese will do. I just decided to go with Colby Jack on this. Then you want to add some of our buffalo chicken mixture to the sandwich. And then add another slice of Colby Jack cheese, or whatever cheese you prefer. Then place the other piece of bread, which you can see I've buttered. Okay, and place the sandwich on a griddle that's over medium heat. And then butter the other piece of bread. And then griddle for a couple of minutes aside until the bread is nice and golden brown. Looking something like that once it's done. And just want to slice it through, do the old pull apart, and that's it. Buffalo chicken grilled cheese. Done.